Kim Kardashian is known for her ever-changing makeup looks. Throughout the years, her makeup transformations have kept us mesmerized. From classic, matte looks to dramatic smoky eyes, she has tried it all. Her look continues to evolve, making her a true inspiration to many. Kim often chooses bold, statement looks, but lately she has switched up her style and gone for a more natural appearance. Her skin is always flawlessly dewy and she often goes for a more minimal makeup look. She focuses more on highlighting her natural beauty and creating beautiful eyelashes. Kim Kardashian's beauty transformation is simply stunning. She often uses minimal foundation only to even out her skin tone, and then builds up her look from there. Her go-to makeup look is simple and soft, letting her natural beauty shine through. She likes to use concealer to cover any spots or dark circles, and then a neutral eyeshadow. Kim usually opts for a light face powder, along with soft contour and blush. To complete her look, she often uses a light lip gloss or powder for her lips. She also loves to use mascara to make her eyes even more stunning. Lately, Kim has been experimenting with bolder looks. She is not afraid to mix and match different shades of eyeshadows, and the results are amazing. We especially love her look when she combines a deep purple with a smoky gray shade. Kim also loves to play up her lips with deep reds, pinks, and purples. She often pairs this with a classic winged eyeliner look, as well as a bit of glitter. Her looks this year have been so creative, and we can't wait to see what she will come up with next. Overall, Kim Kardashian's makeup transformation is simply outstanding. From minimal to bold, she always knows how to make a statement. Not only is she a talented entrepreneur, but she is also a makeup guru. Every time she steps out of the house, she looks gorgeous and impeccable. Her ability to stay up to date with current trends is truly inspiring. We can't wait to see what her next makeup transformation will be.